Hello and welcome to Pink Flamingos. That is correct. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have completed the problem all on your own, and now you're watching the video with your paper in front of you so you can correct your work and see how you did. Hopefully you did fantastic. If not, no worries, my friend. Simply pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. All right, so here is your scenario. You and your parents are on vacation in South America. You are visiting, easy for me to say, right? You are visiting a lagoon where there are a flock of pink flamingos. The flamingos are eating shrimp. There are 37 pink flamingos in the flock that you are observing. Together, they eat 999 shrimp. Let's write that down. 999 shrimp. Now, if they each ate the same amount of shrimp, how many shrimp did each pink flamingo eat? So that means we need to divide this by the number of pink flamingos, and we know that there are 37 pink flamingos. So let's go ahead, and the first thing we need to do is write our counting by the numbers across the top. So you want to do your 3s and your 7s. And here we have our 3s, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. And 7s, 7, 14, 21, 27, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. However, now we've got 37, and this would actually round off to 40. So I'm going to write a 40 here because we're going to use that for our estimations. And now I need to write my 4s across the top. And here we have them: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. So next thing I want to do is go ahead and make my area box. So I'm going to shrink this, make a little bit more room, and create my very first area box. And bam, right there it is. Now I'm going to take the 999 and put it inside my area box. So 999. And then I'm going to take my 37, that is my divisor, and I'm going to put it outside the box there. Now, 37 will, the 3 and the 7 will take care of the 2 9s here. I need to get a place value holder for this 9 here, so I'm going to put a 0 above, and anything times 0 will give me 0 right here. In other words, 37 times 0 gives me 0. And now for this digit, I need to look at the 4 to estimate, right? And this is not really a 4, it's really 40 because I got the 10 there, right? So I'm going to estimate 40, 80, and 80 is as far as I can go because otherwise I'm going to go over the 99 because this would give me 120. So I'm going to multiply by 1, 2. So I'm going to put a 2 right here, and I'm just plug my 2 in there. And then now I'm working with the real number. 2 times 7, I'm going to just go 7, 14. That's 1, 2, right? So I'm going to drop my 4 and carry my 1. So I'll drop my 4 right there and carry my 1 right here, which will get added on to my next one, which is right here. 2 times 3, well, 1, 2, right? So 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is going to give me 7. So I'm going to write a 7 right there, and then I'm going to subtract. Before I do, I'm going to check for any trouble coming, and I got absolutely no trouble. That will happen. 9 minus 0, 9 minus 4 you can do, and 9 minus 7 you certainly can do as well. So I'm going to add my next area box. I'm going to plug that in right there, and now I'm going to enlarge this so I have room to subtract, and 9 minus 0 is going to give me 9, so drop that 9 right there. 9 minus 4. Well, that's going to give me 5. And 9 minus 7, well, that's going to give me 2. So now I'm looking at the 37. It will not fit into the 25, so I'm going to be working in the 1s column here, right up on top, right? So I need to look at how many times, and remember, I'm going to estimate with my 40, right? How many times 40 will go into 259. And remember, this is really a 0 behind each of these numbers. So I got 40, 80, 120, 160, 120, I'm sorry, that's 200. And then 240, which you see would fit in there. 280 would not fit in here. So I'm going to go with the 240, which means I'm going to multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to put a 6 right here, and my 6 goes right there. And now I'm working with the real numbers, right? So 6 times 7, I'm going to just come across 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 42. I'm going to drop my 2 and carry my 4. So drop my 2 and carry my 4 right here. And then 6 times 3, and then I'm going to count by 3s 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to give me 18 plus 4, 19, 20, 21, 22. So that's going to be 22 that I'm going to drop down there, right? So I'm going to drop a 22 right here, and then I'm going to subtract. And let's look for any trouble coming first. And I have absolutely no trouble coming here, no trouble coming here, and that zeroes out, so it's not trouble, right? So let's go ahead and do our subtraction. And I'm going to make another area box here, and we'll do that right here. And now I've got 9 minus 2, which is going to give me 7. And then I've got 5 minus 2, which is going to give me 3. And as you see, that 37 will fit in there exactly one more time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just move my pink flamingos right over here. And then I'm going to add one more group of 37. And that's simple to do. 1 times 37 will give me 37 down here. So I'm going to just write 37. And that's going to zero out. So now I'm good to go. Let's go ahead and look at how I add this up. So I'm going to draw my line, and I'm going to add up in this direction. And 0 plus 6 plus 1 is going to give me 7 right there. So I'm going to drop my 7 right there. And then I've got 2 and absolutely nothing. So I'm going to put a 2 right there. And now I have no remainder at all. So let's get back to the question. The question was that you had 999 shrimp, right? And 37 of these pink flamingos eating all those shrimp. So you're wondering, how many shrimp does each one of these pink flamingos get? And the answer is 27. Once again, that is 27 shrimps. Each pink flamingo eating 27 shrimps. You gotta love that, my friends. Hey, if you did this all perfectly, that is fantastic. If you made a mistake along the way, all you have to do is pause the video, fix your mistake, and you're good to go. All right, until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. Sayonara for now. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counted by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.